Alright guys, this is a ratcheting wrench. You'd be surprised how many people have no idea how to do a ratchet strap. So I'm going to give you a quick little video on this windy day. Okay. Took it apart first. Wrap it around the item that you got to do. Okay. Close it. And you want it facing you. This handle facing you. Okay. Wrap around what you got to do. There's the slot right there. You're going to stick it right through the slot. Once you pick it through the slot there, you're going to pull it nice and tight. Okay? And then you're just going to ratchet it. 1 or 2 notches is all you need to make it tight. If you got to keep ratcheting it and spinning it around, you're going to end up getting it wrapped around here and you're going to have a hard time taking it apart. That's what everybody does. Right? You want to hold it face forward to you, put it through the slot. You should only do 2 or 3 clicks. That's all you need. 2 or 3 clicks and it should be nice and tight. Snug as a bug in a rug. Okay? To release it, of course, this is the Harbor Freight brand. Just push it, you release it, and the thing pulls right out. Okay? That's it. Over and out.